Everyone, hello. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening. My name is Jyoti Kathju and I am your grammar guru for the day. Today we are going to be discussing adjectives. Welcome to a class on adjectives. What exactly are adjectives? They are describing words that add more to a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives in the English language are very common. For example, phrases like a beautiful building, a beautiful sky, a tall building, lovely apartments, these are adjectives. Now let us look at the kind of adjectives there are. First, we have adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. They describe quality. They talk of a noun, good girl, bad training. Then you have nouns which are being described by an adjective. Abundance. Now, they also tell us how something is. So, the clock runs on time. Adjectives explain how many. They are adjectives of quantity. So, she has one cat. She has two cats. These are adjectives of quantity. Then we have adjectives which point out specific items. My white shoes. These shoes. This is my property. Here, my is an adjective. For instance, my bag is green. Green is an adjective of quality. These question marks are green. Examples include which movie, what time, interrogative adjectives. So, very many adjectives are very important. They make our sentences lively and interesting. Without adjectives, language would be very boring. For example, compare Ria bought a dress to Ria bought a gorgeous dress. Compare the cloud to a white snowy cloud. Now let's do a quick activity. Look around the room and pick any object. Now describe it with 3 adjectives. For instance, a room, a towel. Adjectives are important to make the language interesting. Now this is a dial phone. This is a dial phone. This is a white screen. A white screen. This is a pink t-shirt. A pink t-shirt. This is Jyoti Kathju, your grammar guru, guiding you for the day. Like, subscribe, share. For more such grammar videos, keep on watching Jyoti Kathju.